The summer heat wave is soon to be over, and cooler weather is right around the corner. While the hot season is coming to an end, home ownership comes with a never-ending list of projects. Getting your home maintenance projects done timely can be tricky, especially when you're enjoying the outdoors. Here are some home maintenance projects that you can best tackle at the end of summer. Number 1. Clean out gutters. Leaves, twigs, and debris weigh down gutters and clog drains over time. Avoid problems by cleaning out the gutters. At the same time, check for loose joints, corrosions, or bent downspouts. But be careful on that latter. Number 2. Update deck and fence. All hands on deck and fence. It's time to give your deck and fence a good quick look. Use a power washer with the right amount of water pressure to remove dirt buildup, debris, mold, mildew, and more. Consider staining or painting to change your deck or fence facade. Number 3. HVAC system repair and maintenance. Your air conditioning system works hard during the hot summer months. Changing the air filter every 1 to 3 to 6 months will reduce strain on your AC system. Cleaning your HVAC system, clearing drainage lines, and testing the thermostat function are some of the things you can do, or hire a pro to do it for you. Some of these home improvement items we can do ourselves, and some we should leave for the professionals. But maintaining a home is a good thing.